Good morning, dear students.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Okay, today we are going to discuss problems related to area related to triangles. Okay, right. See here. So find the value of k if the points A 2 3, B 4k, and C 6 minus 3 are collinear. So this type questions were asked related to distance formula as well as area related to triangles. So this belongs to area related to triangles. Then how to solve by using the area related to triangles formula. See here, since the given points are collinear, the area of a triangle formed by them must be equal to 0 because points are collinear. All the three vertices lie on the same straight line. It means area is 0. So we have to take area of triangle formula should be equal to 0. Since the given points are collinear, the area of the triangle formed by them must be equal to 0, that is half into x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus in bracket x3 in bracket y1 minus y2 should be equal to 0. See here, make x1 y1, x2 y2, mark here x1 x2, sorry. So x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 and y3. See, x1 is 2 here, so 2. Y2, where is y2? Y2 is k minus y3, where is y3? Y3 is minus 3. Keep in separate bracket. If minus comes means keep in separate bracket, plus x2 is 4 into bracket of y3 is minus 3 minus y1 is 3 plus x3 is 6, y1 is 3 minus y2 is k equal to 0. See here, half into 2 into k is 2 into k minus of minus is plus, minus of minus is plus 3 plus 4 into minus 3 becomes minus 6. Okay, plus 6 in bracket 3 minus k equal to 0. Keep as it is, half into bracket of 2 into bracket of k plus 4. Okay, so here 2 into k is 2k, 2 into 3 is 6, 4 into minus 6 plus into minus is minus. So always multiply the sign in between the open bracket. So this is the open bracket, this is closed bracket, open bracket, closed bracket. So we have to multiply the sign between the open brackets always. So plus into minus is minus, 4 6 is 24, plus 6 3s are 18. 6 into minus k is minus 6k equal to 0. Okay, next see here, 18 plus 6 plus 18 plus 6 is plus 24. Plus 24 and minus 24 get cancel here. Okay, after that 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. 2 1s are 2 2s are minus 2k equal to 0, so k is also equal to 0. So this is the problem belongs to area related to circle. If points are collinear, then we have to take the area of triangle formula is equal to 0, then solve further to get the constant value. Next, so one more question, see here. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoint of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are 0 minus 1 2 1 and 0 3. Find the ratio of the areas to the area of the given triangle. Let a 0 minus 1, b 2 1 and c 0 3 be the vertices of a triangle ABC. See here, find the area of triangle formed by the joining the midpoints. See here, ABC is a triangle. In between AB, D is the midpoint. In between BC, E is the midpoint of BC, and in between AC, F is the midpoint. Okay, so just join these points. So this also forms a triangle. We need to find the area of this triangle and then area of original triangle, and we have to compare the area of triangle formed by the midpoints and area of original triangle. We need to find the ratio of them. Okay, see here, find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವೆರಡರದು ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದು ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಸಿ ಯ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದುಗಳು ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಗುರುತಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನಂತರ ಅವೆರಡರದು ರೇಷಿಯೋನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ, ಅದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DEF. Firstly, they have given that A 0 minus 1, B 2 1 and C 0 3 be the vertices of the triangle ABC. So ನಮ್ಗೆ area of triangle DEF ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we need to find the coordinates of D, coordinates of E and coordinates of F, but they only given coordinates of A, B and C. So we need to find the coordinates of D. So coordinates, to find coordinates of D, what is D? D is the midpoint, is it right? D is the midpoint of AB. So by midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of D. By midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of E. By midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of F. Okay, after that by finding the coordinates of DEF we can find the area of triangle DEF by area of triangle formula. See here, the coordinates of D is given by xy is x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So what is x2 here? So they have given 2, x1 is 0, 2 plus 0 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 is 0 by 2, 0 by 2 is 0. Okay, next to 2 by 2 is 2 ones are 2 ones are, so 1 comma 0. So coordinates of D is 1 comma 0. Then coordinates of E, coordinates of E is equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. Here x2 is 0 and x1 is 2 by 2, comma 3 plus 1 by 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 comma 2. So coordinates of f is given by, again, midpoint formula, x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0 by 2 is 0. Okay. Minus 1 plus 3 is 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 here. The area of triangle DEF. So we need to find the area of this triangle. So for that, the area of triangle DEF with vertices D10, E12 and F01 is given by half into x1 into bracket of y2 minus y3 plus x2 into bracket of y3 minus y1 plus x3 into bracket of y1 minus y2. That is equal to half into bracket of x1 is 1 into bracket of y2 is 2 minus y3 is 1 plus x2 is 1 into bracket of y3 is 1 minus y1 is 0 plus x3 is 0 into bracket of y1 is 0 minus y2 is 2. So see here, 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 into 1 is also 1. So minus 2 into 0 is 0. So 1 plus 1 plus 0. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is 1 by 2 into 2 is what? 2 ones are 2 ones are. That is 1 square unit. So this is 1 square unit. So to find the area of triangle ABC, we need to use again area of triangle formula. See here, to find the area of triangle ABC is equal to, again we using that formula. So in that, by substituting these values, we will get, that is 4 square unit. This is the general form of a area of triangle. Any triangle you may consider, area of original triangle is always 4 times the area of triangle formed by the midpoints of that triangle. So ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದರ 1ನೇ 4 ಭಾಗ, 4 ಭಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರ 1 ಭಾಗದಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಇದು ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ. ಇದು 9ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದುಗಳಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ತ್ರಿಭುಜವು 1ನೇ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4ನೇ 1 ಭಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ದತ್ತ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ 1ನೇ 4ನೇ 1 ಭಾಗ ಇದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಮಧ್ಯಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ 4ರಷ್ಟು ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತ? ABC ಇರುತ್ತ. ಇದ್ರ 4ರಷ್ಟು ABC ಇರುತ್ತ. ಅಥವಾ ABCಯ 1/4 ಭಾಗ ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು. ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ DEF ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ 4:1. Okay, first take the screenshot. This is the solution part. Take the screenshot of this first. Have you all taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. So you can also take the screenshot of these 2 sentences. Okay, have you all finished the?
Yes, sir.
So in this third exercise, main questions were I already solved here. See here. In exercise 7.3, find the area of triangle whose vertices are. So take x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Okay, triangle as a b c. Solve by area of triangle formula, by using area of triangle formula. First main, solve yourself. Okay, in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So I solved one already. Is it right? So the I think uh, I solved worked example. I shown you already, right? So this one I already solved. 1 by 2 into bracket of minus 4k is equal to 0. So this one I already solved. Like that, you have to solve this one. Okay, so find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle whose vertices are. So just we solved this one. Find the ratio of the area to the area of the given triangle. So this one is solve this one yourself, this one yourself, this one already solved. Okay, so find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in an order. So to find the area of quadrilateral, so solve yourself. I only give you a hint. Okay, so first draw one quadrilateral of any type. Okay, a b c d is a quadrilateral. So for that, a, take first coordinate point, so that is minus 4 minus 2, minus 4 minus 2. For b, take minus 3 minus 5. For c, 3 minus 2. For d, 2 3. Okay, after this we have only to find area of triangle formula. So here it is a quadrilateral. How to find the area of quadrilateral? By using area of triangle formula. Anyone say? If you know means. So they ask to find the area of the quadrilateral. Find the area of quadrilateral whose vertices are taken in an order. So how will you find the area of quadrilateral? You don't know? Please say.
Distance formulas.
Very good. No. Sorry. By distance formula, we can find the distance, not the area.
By drawing diagonals, sir.
Very good, Kalpana. Very good. So by drawing any one diagonal, not two. Okay, by drawing any one diagonal, we can find the area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC, and add both the areas. You will get area of ABCD. All of you understood? To find this A1 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3, to find area of triangle ADC, this is taken as already x1 y1, so take this as x2 y2 and this as x3 y3. So find area of triangle ABC separately, find area of triangle ADC separately, and area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Add both, you will get the final answer. All of you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
you only solve you only solve this one, fourth one. You only solve. Okay. Oh, this one is over. Next, fifth one. If we move to fifth question, you have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of into two triangles of equal areas. Equal areas. Verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B and C are given. So what is median? Anyone say? What is median? If I going to draw a median from vertex A, that line divides the opposite side into two equal parts. That is called the median. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಶೃಂಗದಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಭಿಮುಖವಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಬಾಹುವಿಗೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಎಳಿತೀವಲ್ಲ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಅದು ಎರಡು ಸಮನಾದ ಭಾಗಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಡಿನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಮೀಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿ? ಎನಿವನ್ ಸೇ? ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಡಿ ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ?
Midpoint, sir.
Very good, very good. So the D is the midpoint of what? BC. So we don't know the coordinates of D. We don't know the coordinates of D, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how will you find the coordinates of D?
Section formula.
Wrong. So you can use section formula, but that is very lengthy one. You can use directly midpoint formula. X2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. By that you can easily find the coordinates of D. That is 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 by 2. 5 plus 3 is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4. Okay. Next, 2 minus 2 is 0 by 2 is 0. So coordinates of D are 4, 0. After finding this, you can easily find, see here, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. So x1, y1, take again this as x2, y2. So find the area of triangle ABD and the area of triangle ADC separately. Then these areas are equal means the statement is true. So definitely area be equal. Okay, area of triangle ABD find out madri by triangle area of triangle formula find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ಗಳೇನೆ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏರಿಯಾ ADC ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊನೆಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, take the screenshot of these two. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂದು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನೆನಪಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this completes your chapter coordinate geometry. Okay, exercise 7.4 is a optional one, that is not for the examination. So only up to 7.3 exercise will be there for your examination. Okay. Okay, dear students, today is Thursday. Friday there is no class. Just you make note and complete it, and also work for what? You have to work for test. Okay. You have to work for
Okay, sir.
test. And that will be conducted on coordinate geometry. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
Saturday there is a test on coordinate geometry. ನಾಳೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ರು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಲಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಾಳೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
Okay, take care. Bye bye.
Okay,
Bye
sir.
bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.